This is my 2012 bike check. I'm going to start off with my frame, Mothership version 1 frame in black. Then we'll move up to the front with Cult leader bars, black chrome, 9-inch rise, 29 inches wide. And with Cult Waffle grips, they've had a bit of use. Come down with my signature bar ends. Then we move further down, we get my Ruption stock stem, my Salt headset. We come down to my stock Ruption forks, my United Direct white wall tyre, Alienation Black Sheep version 2 rims, purple, Vocal double butted spokes in white. You've an Eclat Pulsed 2011 in teal, Eclat Pulse hub guard. We have a dodgy Mcgloughlins peg. We move to the back of the bike. As you can see, only have one peg, 2.42 Tom white wall tyre, animal. Then we have an Alienation Black Sheep version 2 rim, Vocal double butted spokes again in white. And we have a Kiss Bikes Rattlesnake hub in purple. Then we have a KMC chain, €6 on Eurocycles. Then we have our Ruption Sprocket here, stock. We have our stock Ruption cranks. We have Cult pedals in white, they're a little bit dirty. We come up, we have stock Ruption seat. And that's my 2012 bike check. It's my bike, it's nice, it's light enough, it's strong, can take a hit, it's comfortable, I like it. Subscribe.